Greetings, aspiring real estate moguls. Are you ready to dive into the world of investment properties and start building your wealth through real estate? Imagine the satisfaction of earning passive income, watching your net worth grow, and building a portfolio that sets you up for financial freedom. Sounds exciting, right? But here is the catch: jumping in unprepared can turn your dreams into a nightmare. Before you start scrolling through property listings, there are 15 crucial things you need to do to set yourself up for success. Welcome to Fahtel Growth Tips, a hub where aspiring individuals come to unlock their full potential and achieve bigger dreams. Today, we are talking about the essential steps you need to take before buying your first investment property. This guide will not only help you avoid costly mistakes, but also give you the confidence and knowledge you need to make smart investment decisions. Let's get started. 1. Take inventory of your debt. Before diving into real estate investing, it is crucial to have a clear picture of your financial situation. Start by listing all your debts, credit cards, student loans, car loans, etc. High-interest debt can eat into your profits and create unnecessary stress. Consider paying off these debts first, or at least have a manageable plan in place. Speaking with a loan officer or financial advisor can help you prioritize which debts to tackle. Real estate investing can boost your net worth, but only if you are not bogged down by high-interest obligations that drain your cash flow. 2. Read some books. Knowledge is power, especially in real estate investing. Equip yourself by reading books that cover technical aspects of real estate, general financial advice, and personal growth. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Millionaire Real Estate Investor by Gary Keller, and the book on rental property investing by Brandon Turner offer valuable insights. Listening to audiobooks can also be a great way to consume information on the go. Developing a well-rounded knowledge base will not only help you make better investment decisions, but also shape your mindset for success. On Fahtel Growth Tips channel here, we publish book summaries every Monday in different categories including real estate. Keep watching our videos for more information. 3. Save for a down payment. Investment properties typically require a larger down payment than owner-occupied homes, often around 20 to 25%. Start setting aside money early to avoid scrambling for funds later. Explore different loan options to see what fits your financial goals, but remember that a smaller down payment might come with higher interest rates. Having a substantial down payment ready not only makes you a more attractive borrower, but also reduces your financial risk. 4. Keep an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are a reality in real estate investing. Whether it's a sudden repair or a vacancy, having an emergency fund can keep you afloat during tough times. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. This safety net will provide peace of mind and prevent you from making hasty decisions under financial stress. Remember, liquidity is key in real estate. You can't access your equity without selling or refinancing. 5. Make a plan for financing. Most new investors use loans to buy properties. Understanding your financing options is crucial. Speak with loan officers, local banks, credit unions, and hard money lenders. Each has different terms and benefits, and what works for one property might not work for another. Building relationships with lenders is key. Having a go-to lender who understands your investment strategy can make the financing process smoother and faster. Don't forget to explore seller financing, which can offer more flexible terms. 6. Find a real estate agent. Even if you plan to find off-market deals, having a knowledgeable real estate agent in your corner is invaluable. Look for agents who specialize in investment properties. They can offer insights into market trends, help you find properties that meet your criteria, and even bring you exclusive deals before they hit the market. Building a good relationship with an agent can also ensure you're top of your mind when new opportunities arise. 7. Consider buying a primary home first. If you already own a home, consider using it as your first investment property. Moving into a new primary residence and renting out your current home can be a straightforward way to start your investment journey. For those who don't own a home yet, buying a property where you can rent out rooms or convert part of the home into a rental unit can be a smart move. This approach allows you to ease into being a landlord and get a taste of managing rental income. 8. Decide where to look for properties. Determine your investment strategy. Are you looking for rental properties, fixer-uppers, or properties to flip? Decide on the geographical area and the type of properties you are interested in. Your choice will influence how you search. For instance, if you're looking for fixer-uppers, driving through neighborhoods to find distressed properties or connecting with wholesalers might be your best bet. Always consider proximity to your own location if you plan to manage the property yourself. 9. Learn the market. Understanding the market is key to finding the right investment property. Research property values, rent prices, vacancy rates, and market trends. Knowing what properties are worth and what they can rent for will help you make informed decisions. Tools like Zillow, Realtor.com, and local market reports can provide valuable data. The more familiar you are with your target market, the better equipped you will be to spot a good deal and act quickly. 10. Write out your ideal property. Before you start searching, define what your ideal investment property looks like. Are you looking for a multifamily home or a single-family residence? What's your budget? How much cash flow are you expecting each month? Having a clear vision will help you stay focused and avoid getting sidetracked by properties that don't fit your criteria. Remember, no property will be perfect, but knowing what you want will make the decision-making process easier. 11. Practice analyzing properties. Analyzing properties is a skill that gets better with practice. Look at properties online and practice estimating their rental income, potential expenses, and overall profitability. Consider factors like repair costs, property taxes, insurance, and vacancy rates. Tools like rental property calculators can help you run the numbers. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in evaluating properties quickly and accurately. 12. Start building a contractor list. Whether you plan to flip houses or rent them out, you'll need reliable contractors. Start building a list of general contractors, electricians, plumbers, painters, and handymen. Establish relationships with them early so that when you need a job done, you know whom to call. A good contractor can make or break your investment, so take the time to find professionals you trust and who have a track record of quality work. 13. Be ready to write multiple offers. Not every offer you make will be accepted, and that's okay. Real estate investing is a numbers game. For every property you successfully purchase, you might make 5 or more offers that get rejected. Don't get discouraged. Each offer you write brings you closer to your goal. Stay patient and persistent, and remember that the right property will come along if you keep looking. 14. Find a mentor or partner. Having someone experienced to guide you can be helpful. A mentor can help you avoid common mistakes, offer advice on analyzing deals, and provide support throughout the buying process. Look for networking events, real estate investment clubs, or online communities where you can connect with seasoned investors. Alternatively, consider partnering with a more experienced investor on your first deal. This can be a great way to learn and share the financial risk. 15. Get ready to move fast on the right property. In competitive markets, good deals don't last long. When you find a property that fits your criteria, be prepared to act quickly. Have your financing options lined up, and be ready to make a strong offer. Sometimes, sellers want a quick closing, so being able to move fast can make you a more attractive buyer. Speed and decisiveness are crucial in securing the best deals. Buying your first investment property is a big step, but with the right preparation, it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. By following these 15 steps, you will lay a strong foundation for success and avoid common pitfalls that many new investors face. Remember, real estate investing is a journey, not a sprint. Take your time, do your homework, and build a team of trusted professionals around you. By addressing these points and incorporating them into your investment strategy, you are not just buying a property, you are setting yourself up for long-term success in the real estate market. Real estate is a powerful tool for building wealth, but like any tool, it is most effective when used with knowledge and skill. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it and follow Fahtel Growth Tips for more advice on real estate, personal finance, and achieving your bigger dreams.